Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you what you can do on Course Creator 360. So I come from a standpoint of having used Thinkific, Teachable, Kajabi, and more. Can't really think about it right now, but I know there's one more. But with that being said, Course Creator 360, it's been my favorite platform. I've been using it for over 3 years now, and it's actually allowed me to exit out of one of my businesses. So I don't use it as active as I used to before, but with Course Creator 360, you can actually get a free 30-day trial if you use my link down below to sign up. And 30 days is definitely more than enough to actually test it out for yourself. But as far as what you can do in Course Creator 360, it's an all-in-one software. Okay, so it was built by a group of brothers, the Walbeck brothers, and so Stockton Walbeck is actually the one who actually head haunches Course Creator 360 management. But even so, if you scroll down, you can see what Course Creator 360 has to offer. So it can do email marketing, it can do SMS marketing, it can do unlimited sales funnels, it can become a website builder, it can track calls, implement surveys and forms, it could book appointments and set up calendars. It's basically a CRM management software. It can also track analytics, it can create courses and products, it can set up automations, and it can do reputation management. So me personally, I'd say when I first signed up for Course Creator 360, it eliminated email marketing, sales funnel, website building, surveys, forms, booking appointments, and courses and products and automations for me. So that alone, I mean, this is a lot to be spending on individual subscriptions for when Course Creator 360 does it all in one place. So you can see the pricing here. As far as the one I have two businesses. So I have the premium plan, which is $147 per month, and that's really a fraction of what I used to pay for when it came to like just for using Klaviyo email marketing, for example, or MailChimp email marketing, for example. But with Course Creator 360, they explain it better as far as what you can do. So you can host course just like Kajabi and Teachable. You can build unlimited funnels and websites. You can send auto and blast email campaigns. You can send text messages, Facebook and Instagram messengers. You can send automated voice emails. You can make a on-page chat widget, which is like mini chat. You can set advanced automations. You can dial phone numbers. You can schedule appointments via calendars. You can get customer reviews. You can actually host your videos on here. I mean, look at all of these things that it's able to do. All right. If you're kind of overwhelmed as far as like what you can do with Course Creator 360 thus far, don't worry, because I'll show you something really cool that they have to offer you as far as helping you get up and running with your minimal viable product on Course Creator 360. But with Course Creator 360, again, it's an all-in-one platform. I absolutely love it. And one of the main reasons why, in addition to it being an all-in-one platform, is because I also like it because it saves money. So that's a pretty much given as far as if I was spending like $300 a month on Klaviyo, Course Creator itself is already, just for a single business, $97 per month. In addition to that, this is what I want to show you guys. It's their 14-day bootcamp. Okay, their 14-day bootcamp is a series of walkthrough videos that help guide you on actually getting started with Course Creator 360. So this was like I literally felt like my hand was being held when it came to connecting my domain and then connecting my payment processor, yada, 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 creating your first funnel website, creating your checkout page, setting up your business info, creating your first calendar, registering your phone number. So this walkthrough bootcamp made it extraordinarily easy to get me up and running when it came to starting my business on Course Creator 360. So these walkthrough videos are included with your Course Creator 360 membership. Second to that, as far as the support goes, they have a little widget on the bottom right hand corner here where this support system that they respond in like less than 5 minutes, and they usually respond with a Loom video. So with that Loom video, you send them a message like, hey, how do I connect my product to my checkout page? They'll send you a Loom video on how to actually do that. So support has been absolutely phenomenal, and I never realized how like much support mattered until I used Course Creator 360. So let's say, for example, you want to learn how to set up an automated voicemail. You can literally ask Course Creator 360 support how to do that, and they'll guide you through step by step. I haven't had one bad experience within the past 3 years for both my businesses on getting bad support from Course Creator 360. Every time I've gotten support from them, it's been absolutely phenomenal. So with that being said, with more of the hand holding, you do have a free DNS and email deliverability setup. So I hate the technicalities of setting up my website with its hosting and making sure that at John at Course Creator 360 works for me. So you literally get in like a 15-minute call with someone to help you set up DNS, website setup, and email deliverability setup. And this is something that I really, really like just because I want to make sure that it's done correctly. Course Creator 360, it's been absolutely phenomenal. You can use a variety of different things. It doesn't mean that you have to use everything, right? So if this is the Course Creator 360 dashboard, I don't use opportunities as much. I don't really use reputation or reporting or app marketplace as much. So you can most certainly use the tools that you only want to use for your business. Let's say that you only want to host your course on here. All you got to do is just host your course on here. You don't have to use every single thing that's given to you by them. Although maybe down the road, first you'll learn email marketing, and then later on you'll learn SMS marketing. So it's at a given pace. You don't need to use every single one of these tools in order to have your business be successful. You can use just a set of them, but it's good to know that on the back end, if there's ever a time where you do want to start using automations or reputation management, you'll already have access to that without spending that extra money. With Course Creator 360, again, you can get a free 30-day trial if you use my link down below. 30 days is more than enough time to actually get your course up and running and to kind of test out the customer support and watch their walkthrough videos to see if this is something that you want to continue with. But I've had a phenomenal experience with Course Creator 360. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.